Okay guys, check this out. Check this out. How beautiful it is, right? Okay guys, I am finally done with my newest design of a new keyboard case for 68% layout and left position of the USB. And let me show you everything in details. Okay, actually I have two options of the same case, right? One option with a standoffs and another options with a slide in PCB sandwich. Let's start with the first one with the standoffs, right? You can see right now on my table 4 different 68% layout mechanical keyboards, Hall effect mechanical keyboards, right? I have Win 68, I have Ace 68, I have Mad 68, and I have Alux 68% mechanical keyboard. They are all kind of the same, but a little bit different. They have a different position of the standoffs and a little bit different size of the metal switch plate. So that's why I have two options of the case. And also they have a different position of USB port, right? So case number 1, you can use all of them and you can print separately standoffs, right? Then you can glue them into the bottom part of the case, right? Something like that. And that's all. So you can print one case, you can print separate standoff, you can insert the standoffs into the PCB from the back side, you can press screw them with the screws, then you can add a glue, press it into the case, wait a little bit and finish the job. Also, I have two plates for the right and for the left side of the keyboard, right? And you will need to have a separate screws. I will mention everything in the details under the video, right? So you can buy them anywhere, right? It's a standard screws and you can screw it all together. So this is option number 1, where you basically are placing your PCB sandwich inside the case, adding panel 1, panel 2. You have a wide cut for the USB and you have a small insert to cover free space from the left or from the right side of USB. This is option number 1. Option number 2, even more easier for you, right? It is the same size, the same structure of the keyboard case, but inside the case you have a rails on the left and on the right side. And you can take any of these PCBs, right? Find where is the USB and just slide in using this metal switch plate. Here you go. As easy as this. You don't need any standoffs because it will not fall apart. USB is perfectly aligned on the back side. You need just to add panels, right? I will show you everything in a second. And you're ready to go. As simple as that. I'm really happy with this design. I've printed this case from a transparent PETG material, right? So when I will assemble all together and connect to the my PC, you will see how brightful this keyboard actually is and how beautiful it is. So if you want to print by yourself, all links will be obviously in the description. If you want to buy it from me, links will be in the description. Right now I have for example Alux 68 HE. Let me assemble it with the keycaps, with the panels, and I will show you the final result. Okay guys, check this out. Check this out. How beautiful it is, right? With these panels, and obviously I hope you understand that I can create, or you can create, any panels, any color, any materials. This one is carbon, but it can be also translucent, PET or ASA or anything else, right? From both sides. And this bolts also looks pretty awesome. Design is really sleek, and you have this elevation, right? So it's not a flat, it's elevated because of this part. And also check this out, because this is also translucent, you can see a little bit RGB from the PCB plate. And obviously on the front side it's just a full scale of RGB. Okay, here you go. Now I finally found the color in according to the case. Actually it's blue. Yeah, here you go. Let me switch off all lights. Okay guys, once again, if you want to download a 3D model to be able to print it by yourself, links will be in the description. If you order from me ready to use case for any of the mentioned keyboards like Win68HE, Mat68HE, Ace68HE, any 68HE keyboards wired, because I cannot do it for the battery, and with the USB port on the left side, right? If you want on a central or on this side, or maybe on that side, just let me know and I can create a special version. But in general, all links will be in the description, and I really appreciate all your comments, suggestions or questions. This will help me to improve my models and create even better ones. Thank you for watching. See you next time.